Venice. The name alone conjures up images of romance, history, and a city unlike any other. Built on a lagoon in the Adriatic Sea, Venice is an archipelago of 118 islands connected by a network of canals. These waterways serve as the city's streets, creating a truly unique and captivating atmosphere. For centuries, these canals have been the lifeblood of Venice. They have transported goods, people, and ideas, shaping the city into the cultural and architectural marvel it is today. A visit to Venice is incomplete without experiencing the enchantment of its canals, and there's no better way to do that than by gondola. Stepping onto a gondola is like stepping back in time. These sleek black boats are handcrafted using traditional methods passed down through generations. Each gondola is a work of art, and their iconic design has remained largely unchanged for centuries. At the helm is the gondolier, a figure as synonymous with Venice as the gondola itself. With expert precision, the gondolier navigates the intricate network of canals using a single oar. Their knowledge of the waterways is unparalleled, and their skill is a testament to years of tradition. As you glide silently through the water, you'll feel a sense of serenity that is unique to Venice. The Grand Canal is the most famous of Venice's waterways, a true symbol of the city's rich history and vibrant culture. This wide, S-shaped canal winds its way through the heart of the city, serving as its main thoroughfare and lifeline. Lined with magnificent palaces, churches, and bridges, the Grand Canal showcases Venice's architectural splendor and historical grandeur. A gondola ride along the Grand Canal is a feast for the eyes, offering a unique perspective of the city's beauty. It provides breathtaking views of some of Venice's most iconic landmarks, from the Rialto Bridge to the majestic palaces. But the magic of Venice extends beyond the Grand Canal, into the labyrinth of smaller canals that crisscross the city. Branching off from this main artery are countless smaller canals, each winding its way through the city's hidden corners. Each of these smaller canals has its own unique charm, offering a more intimate glimpse into Venetian life. Exploring these quieter waterways is like stepping into a hidden world, where the hustle and bustle of the main canal fades away. Here, time seems to slow down, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the serene atmosphere. The gentle lapping of water against the gondola creates a soothing rhythm, while the sound of distant voices echoing through the narrow streets adds to the enchanting ambiance. These are the authentic sounds of Venice, a city where every corner holds a story waiting to be discovered. Section 4. A tapestry of bridges and buildings. Venice is a city of bridges, each one a testament to the ingenuity and artistry of its builders. These bridges are not just functional structures, they are works of art that have stood the test of time, connecting the city's many islands and creating a unique urban landscape. The most famous of these is the Rialto Bridge, a masterpiece of Renaissance architecture that spans the Grand Canal. Built in the late 16th century, it has become an iconic symbol of Venice, drawing visitors from around the world. Its graceful arch and bustling market stalls make it one of the most photographed spots in Venice. The bridge not only serves as a vital crossing point but also as a vibrant marketplace where locals and tourists alike can experience the lively atmosphere. But beyond the Rialto, countless other bridges connect the islands of Venice, each with its own story to tell. From small hidden gems to grand sweeping structures, these bridges are integral to the city's charm and character. As you glide beneath these bridges, look up to admire their intricate carvings and graceful arches. Each bridge is unique with its own design and history, offering a glimpse into the rich cultural heritage of Venice. And be sure to take in the colorful facades of the buildings that line the canals, their pastel hues reflecting in the water. These buildings, with their vibrant colors and elegant designs, add to the enchanting atmosphere of Venice, making it a city like no other. Section 5. An unforgettable journey. As the sun begins its descent, casting a warm glow over the city, the atmosphere in Venice becomes almost surreal. Venice undergoes a magical transformation. The canals, the buildings, and even the air seem to be touched by a golden hue. The water shimmers with golden light, creating a mesmerizing effect that captivates anyone who gazes upon it, and the buildings seem to glow from within, as if they are alive with stories of the past. This is the perfect time for a gondola ride, a quintessential Venetian experience that offers a unique perspective of the city. As the crowds thin and the city takes on an air of tranquility, you can truly appreciate the serene beauty of Venice. A gondola tour of Venice is more than just a boat ride. It's an intimate journey through the heart of this historic city. It's a journey through time, where every turn reveals a new chapter of Venice's rich history and culture. The architecture, the landmarks, and the very essence of Venice come alive as you glide through its waterways. It's an experience that will stay with you long after you've left this magical city. The memories of the sights, sounds, and sensations will linger. So come and discover the allure of Venice's canals. Let the city's charm envelop you as you explore its hidden corners. Let the gentle rocking of the gondola lull you into a state of pure bliss, allowing you to forget the world outside and allow yourself to be swept away by the magic of this floating city. Venice, with its timeless beauty, awaits your discovery.